Hey cooks, welcome back. Another edition. I'm cooking again. It's your guy Ken. Today, we're gonna do something a little special. We're gonna change it up a little bit. Okay, cooks? Now we've got our pork loin ribs. They actually label them at St. Louis at my spot I go to. You see the prices. Check the prices when I show you the items in the next clip after I stop running my mouth. Okay, cooks? Prices are crazy here. I mean, great prices. Okay, cooks? We're gonna do a little different. I ran into this Kinder's. They had a sale of lemon butter garlic. Lemon butter garlic ribs. Gonna try it out. Little bind, a little mustard. I ain't put it here. Little mustard. We're gonna peel back that membrane, get them out on the pellet smoker. A little hot and fat, a little hot, 275, 300. Take about 3-4 hours. Okay, cooks? I think I'm gonna wrap them. Check what, not that wrap. I'm gonna wrap them. Maybe, I don't know. It depends. But we're gonna have a good time. Good flavor profile. Stay with your guy. I'm cooking. All right, cooks, here we go. We back. Okay, cooks, we're gonna get this membrane off the back. Sometimes just lift up. I go through usually the first and second bone. And I always find out on these baby backs, it's so much easier than on, especially like regular rib. That's the hardest one. Followed by St. Louis. But this is usually the most agreeable. Okay, cooks? Get out the way. Get that membrane off there, cooks, okay? It makes a huge difference. A huge difference. For years, I never pulled the membrane off because I didn't know what I was doing. See, look at that. Right off there. Look at that. St. Louis style. I mean, excuse me. Baby back. Or, as they say, loin back ribs. That's what we call it too. Okay, get this out here. Between 1 and 2. I usually go between 1 and 2. Now, you can use a butter knife. You can use whatever you want. Use your fingers, whatever. 1 and 2, you can go between 3 and 4. Get a little separation in. Get you a paper towel. Get in there. Look at it. Good. Right off there. Right off there. Now, if you can find something to do with this, you're better than me. I don't know if you can make a sausage or a hot dog. I don't know. Maybe. I'm not saying you can't now. I like to use everything, but I ain't going that far. Okay, cool. Let's get this other side off there. All right, get that off there. A little bit on that side. I'm not really worried about it, but you can be meticulous. Shout out to meticulous. Yeah, look at that word. Boredom. Got some education somewhere. I'm gonna be meticulous with it. Get that out there. Okay, cooks? Get that off. Okay. Now, bottom side, funny thing, I don't use a binder on the bottom. People say, why? Why? All this lemon butter garlic on there. A little lemon butter garlic on there. That bottom side. Alright. A little bit. And not crazy, because it's that side, okay? It smells good. It smells real lemony. Okay, get that on there. No, I'm not going to trim. This is a house cook. This is not a competition. Okay, we're going to pat it in. Pat it in there. Pat that in there. Okay. Now we get the front side. Okay. Pat it in. Now get a little binder. Okay, give me a little binder. Oh. Uh-oh, cooks. Oh, that sounds angry. That sounds angry. Problem. I'm not gonna go to the store. Rub it in. Okay? If you're new, don't worry about it. You don't taste the mustard, okay? Just for adhesion. Oh, I'm big words today, y'all. Adhesion to the rib, okay? Let's get that on there. That's all gonna give a good coating. Okay? This is gonna be good. I hope. Possibly. Okay. Here we go. We rolling. All right, cooks. Second. Don't flow like a regular rub. It's not really, technically not a rub, it's seasoned. But we're going to use it that way today. Okay? Different flavor on the rib. Okay? We do the ribs all the time, regular pork rub or some salt, pepper, garlic. Which I was going to do that. I was actually going to put that under here. But I said, nah, go straight up with this. Okay, cooks? Go straight up with it. Okay. Once you got your rub season on there, let it rest. Let it come to a sweat because it's tired. Okay? Let this sweat 10, 15 minutes. That gives you time. Start your grill up, however you're cooking it, or your oven. Whatever your heat source is. Start that up. That gives you time to rest. When that comes up to temp, by that time, this should be ready to go. Okay? Stay with your guy. I'm cooking. Hey, we're back. Come on, cooks. We're out here. It's climbing a little bit now, but it fluctuates a little bit. We're ready to go though. Let's get it on. Let's get it on here, man. Like they say, bunch it up, bunch it up. Bunch it up, bunch it up. Hey, cooks, we're gonna bunch it up. Bunch it up. Get them on there. Shut it down. 270. We're gonna cook it. No 3, 2, 1, none of that. No. We're gonna cook it, man, till that seasoning sticks. Gets a little bark on it. I think I'm not probably gonna go wrap because we have 300. It's gonna cook really fast. Okay, cooks? It's gonna be delicious. It's gonna be great. Maybe a little sauce, maybe not. I don't know. A little mustard sauce. Might just crank it up a notch. Okay, cooks? But remember, subscribe to the channel. Like this video. Hit that notification button. Whatever that means. But stay with your guy. I'm cooking. All right, so here we are at the end. Come on. Rib game strong. I cut them up. Oh, tender, delicious. Lemon, butter, garlic rib. Let me see what we're talking about. Let me see what we're talking about. Ooh, hot. Hot, but two, flavor profile. Eyes closed. Cooks, you know when the eyes, I can't see it. Hello, people. My eyes are closed. That is delicious. Almost cursed. Trying to curse. It's a family channel. That's effing good. Cook, that's effing good. Lemon butter garlic on a rib game. Very tender. Delicious. Subscribe to the channel. Like this video. Hit that notification bell. Whatever that means. But stay with your man. We cooking again.